Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make banana bread roll. If you're looking for a quick and simple idea for your kids' breakfast, this recipe is perfect for you. You can try it with apples as well. Only basic ingredients required, anyone can make them. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make banana bread roll: ripe banana and bread are the main ingredients for making bread rolls. To make this recipe, I have taken 6 slices of bread. Now let's trim the edges. Now let's peel and slice the banana. Flatten each bread with a rolling pin. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat and melt about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of butter. To the butter, I am adding sliced banana. Saute this for a while. Add a tablespoon of sugar or honey. Saute until it's nice and mushy. I am adding 1.5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 1 tablespoon of chopped dried cranberry and 2 tablespoons of chopped pistachio. Give this a really good mix until the mixture becomes thick. Mixture has come to a thick consistency. Now turn off the flame. Spread about 1 to 2 teaspoons of banana mixture along one edge of the bread. Gently but tightly roll up the bread. Dip your finger in water. Just dab the other side to seal the bread. Likewise, I'll finish up with other bread slices. Add a tablespoon of ghee, also called clarified butter. Add the bread rolls and toast them on all sides until they are golden brown and crispy. This is done. Now let's remove it from the pan. You can also try banana and apple combo. It will be good, and also you can add some cinnamon, nutmeg and mace for different flavor. Do try this healthy banana bread roll. You can serve as a breakfast or as a quick evening snacks. Share it with your family and friends and post your feedback about this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.